Hello, and welcome to Portage College. Whether you're a staff or student, technical help is just a few clicks away, and this video will walk you through the online process. The first thing you will need to know is how to find the IT support portal. First, you will need to open a web browser. Chrome or Edge are the preferred choices, but you can still use Internet Explorer or Safari if you're on an Apple device. If you're using a college computer, then your browser will automatically open to the college start page. From here, you have several options to get to the IT portal. The quickest and easiest is to click the support portal in the lower right-hand corner. You can also access it through the single sign-on button in the lower left. Then select the technical support icon from the company's local access apps. You can click on the address bar at the top and enter the URL support.portagecollege.ca. This is especially good to remember if you're connecting from home or using a personal laptop or mobile device to request help. Now that we're on the support homepage, let's take you from the top down. In the green ribbon across the top, we have 4 tabs: Home, Solutions, Tickets, and Service Catalog. Then a notification bell, your profile name, and a new ticket button. A search bar can also be found under the tabs of each page. This can help you find solutions from our knowledge base, look up previous tickets, or jump to a service item. The next item down under the Home tab is Announcements. Here we post alerts about new and ongoing problems and workarounds as needed. Below this we have 4 bubbles. If you hover over the first one, a list of your most recent tickets will appear. Use this when managing updates to a previous ticket, or if you're simply checking the status of your tickets. To open a new ticket, you can either click on the new ticket icon next to your profile name, or click on the second bubble. The third bubble will bring you to the Service Catalog, and the fourth will bring you to the Solutions tab, but we'll get back to these shortly. Just below, we have 2 lists of common service requests and solutions to help you get to the regular requests more easily. And at the bottom of the page, you'll find our hours of operation. Now going back to the tabs, the next one is Solutions. Click here or in the Browse Solutions bubble below, and it will bring you to the Solutions page. Use keywords to quickly find solutions to your issue by typing it into the search bar. Notice that as soon as you start typing, links to articles that may help appear below. Simply click on the one that fits, and you'll be fast-tracked to your answer. Not sure what you need? You are welcome to browse through the list below. We're always adding new articles to help you. The solutions are broken down into categories to manage the data more easily. The categories are software, hardware, learning technology support for staff and faculty, network, learning technology support for students, and Microsoft Office. Don't worry if they're not all in your list, as some of them are assigned by your role with the college. Each category also has subcategories to make finding a solution more manageable. Now let's head back to the home page. The Tickets tab and your Tickets bubble will both bring you to the same place. Under this tab, you'll find all your previous tickets. At the top left of the window are the filters. Choose whether to see all tickets, open and pending tickets, or resolved and closed tickets. You can also sort your tickets by date created, the last modified, or by status, and then select ascending or descending order. In the top right, you can export your tickets to either a comma delimited file or an Excel file. Select up to 30 days worth, or select a time frame more suitable, then choose what fields you want to be included. To create new tickets, just click on the red button next to your profile name. Alternatively, you can use the Report an Incident bubble from the Home tabs page. When the new page opens, your requester field should be filled in with your profile. Enter a brief description next, and please don't leave details here. Notice that the related articles will appear on the right based upon the keywords you've entered. If you look through these before you enter the ticket, you may not even need to hit that submit button. This next box down is where you enter the details about your program. What you're running, the error message you received, what does or does not happen, etc. Remember, the more information you can provide, the easier it'll be for us to help you. If you have screenshots saved on your PC, click on Attach a file to add them to your ticket. If you're using a college computer assigned to you, click on the associated asset and select the one you are having an issue with. If not, be sure to include the asset number in the details above. All that is left now is to hit the Submit button, and an agent will assist you as soon as they are able to. Now let's head back to the home page to explore the service catalog. Again, you can click on the tab at the top or use the Request a New Service bubble on the home page. Here is where you can make service requests for additional hardware, user account management, technical support for special events, and much more. New services are added as they become available. As always, the search bar at the top left can help you narrow your search. You can also use the service categories to find what you need. The icons to the left are links to the request forms for each of the unique options. Just click on the link of your choice and fill in the forms. Again, the more information you can provide, the better we can serve you. Click on the Submit button, and a ticket is assigned to the appropriate agents. And so concludes our introduction to the use of the IT support portal. I hope you found it very informative, and thank you on behalf of the technical support team for making the time to make all of our jobs and yours a little easier.